Facebook Ads for Physical Therapists 2023, Step-by-Step Tutorial Updated. Learn how to create highly effective Facebook ads specifically tailored for physical therapists in this comprehensive step-by-step tutorial. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you'll be able to drive substantial traffic and attract more patients. It's crucial to pay attention to every detail, as Facebook's advertising landscape for physical therapists has evolved significantly in recent times. Skipping any part of this tutorial could put your ad at risk of being disabled or result in a complete block of your Facebook ad account. Throughout this tutorial, I will break down the key changes that have occurred in the past year, providing you with concise and easy-to-follow instructions. By the end of the video, you'll have a fully optimized ad ready to attract new patients within 24 hours. It's my aim to ensure your success, so make sure not to miss a single second of this tutorial. I want to share an important update before we dive into the tutorial. If you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in patients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Over 10,000 local brick-and-mortar business owners have found it to be indispensable when it comes to generating new referrals and attracting people to their clinics. Anyways, click that link in the comments and book your demo with my partner Nick, and you can see more. Now, on to today's tutorial. Now, without further ado, let's explore step-by-step how to create a highly effective Facebook ad specifically designed for physical therapists. This ad is not only geared towards attracting patients but also generating leads for your clinic. It's a creative approach that has proven successful in acquiring a significant number of leads from potential patients in need of physical therapy services. Follow along with me as I share my screen and guide you through this transformative journey. Remember, running a successful ad campaign can make a substantial difference for your clinic, so let's get started and unlock the power of Facebook advertising for your practice. Access Facebook Ads Manager. On the left-hand side of your Facebook page, locate and click on Ads Manager. If you don't see it there, click on See More and scroll down until you find it. If you haven't set up your business manager for running ads previously, you'll need to do that first. Create a new campaign. In the Facebook Ads Manager, click on Create Campaign. We'll focus on lead generation to ensure we generate quality leads that will result in appointments. Select Manual Leads Campaign. Facebook offers streamlined and tailored best practice lead recommendations, but for more control and better results, we'll choose the Manual Leads Campaign option. This allows us to have maximum control over our lead generation campaign. Name your campaign. It's important to name your campaign appropriately for easy tracking and analysis. Let's use the example of physical therapy leads, start date. Naming your campaign accurately will help you keep track of its performance and avoid confusion when analyzing data. Set campaign parameters. Now, let's move on to setting the campaign parameters. You'll need to define your target audience, budget, and ad creative. Make sure to specify your target location and demographics relevant to your physical therapy practice's target market. Craft engaging ad creative. Create compelling ad content that highlights the benefits and unique selling points of your physical therapy clinic. Use high-quality visuals and compelling copy to grab the attention of potential patients. Test and optimize. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance closely. Analyze the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager and make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaign. This may involve tweaking targeting parameters, ad creative, or budget allocation. Track leads and convert. As leads start coming in, track their progress and engage with potential patients promptly. Provide excellent customer service, answer inquiries, and nurture leads to convert them into scheduled appointments. Keep a record of the leads generated and monitor their conversion rates to evaluate the success of your campaign. Monitor analytics and adjust. Continuously monitor the analytics provided by Facebook Ads Manager to gain insights into the performance of your ads. Pay attention to metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per lead. Based on this data, make necessary adjustments to your campaign strategy, targeting, or ad creative to maximize your results. Utilize retargeting. Implement retargeting strategies to re-engage with users who have previously interacted with your ads or visited your website. Create customized ads specifically tailored to these retarget audiences, offering incentives or reminders to encourage them to take the next step and book an appointment. Optimize landing pages. Ensure that your landing pages are optimized to provide a seamless user experience and drive conversions. Make sure the landing page aligns with the ad content and delivers the promised value. Use persuasive copy, clear call-to-action buttons, and forms to capture leads information effectively. Test and iterate. Don't settle for mediocrity. Continuously test different variations of your ads, headlines, visuals, and targeting options to identify what resonates best with your target audience. A/B testing can provide valuable insights and help you refine your ads for better performance. Engage with the community, actively participate in relevant online communities, forums, and social media groups where your potential patients are likely to be present. Provide valuable insights, answer questions, and position yourself as an expert in the field of physical therapy. This can help generate brand awareness, establish credibility, and attract more patients. Stay updated, keep yourself informed about the latest trends, changes, and features within the Facebook advertising platform. Facebook frequently introduces updates and new tools that can enhance your ad campaigns. Stay ahead of the curve and adapt your strategies accordingly to stay competitive and maximize your results. By following these steps and implementing an effective Facebook advertising strategy, you can attract more patients to your physical therapy practice, generate quality leads, and ultimately grow your business. Remember to constantly evaluate and optimize your campaigns based on data and user feedback to achieve the best possible outcomes. After accepting the terms, we need to ensure that we select the special ad category that is still required for certain industries, including physical therapy practices. This category helps in providing a better user experience and complying with Facebook's advertising policies. Remember to choose the country where you'll run the campaign, example, United States or Canada. Moving on to the different sections of creating a Facebook ad, we have the campaign, ad set, and ad itself. Each section plays a crucial role in the overall success of your ad campaign. In the campaign section, our objective is to generate leads. You don't need to worry about A/B testing or advanced campaign budget optimization. Simply select the lead generation objective and proceed to the next step. Next, in the ad set section, name your ad set accordingly. For example, you can use physical therapy services, location. This name helps define your target audience, whether they are seeking rehabilitation, sports therapy, or a specific category of patients. Remember, this section is where you set your targeting parameters, budget, and options like custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and retargeting. Now, let's focus on the ad section itself, where you create the ad content. Since we're aiming for lead generation, we'll stick with the instant form option, which asks people to fill out a form to generate leads. This form typically converts better than driving traffic to a website. Make sure to connect your Facebook page and accept the terms for meta lead ads. This step ensures that your lead generation ad is set up correctly and that you can run it seamlessly. At this point, you're well on your way to creating a powerful Facebook ad campaign for your physical therapy practice. In the following steps, we will proceed to fine-tune your targeting, optimize your ad creative, and monitor its performance to ensure optimal results. Remember to stay attentive to any updates or changes in Facebook's ad policies and regulations. This will help you stay compliant and make the most of your advertising efforts. If you operate in a smaller market, the minimum radius you can select is 15 miles due to the special ad category requirements. Unfortunately, you cannot choose a postal code or zip code for targeting purposes. Keep in mind that the Facebook algorithm is highly effective in identifying and targeting the right audience based on engagement. Therefore, detailed targeting may not be necessary for your physical therapy ads. The algorithm will analyze who engages with your ads and show them to similar people while reducing exposure to those who do not engage. Based on my own experience and having spent a significant budget on Facebook ads, I found that blanket targeting combined with retargeting using custom audiences yields the best results. In Canada, you have some additional behaviors you can target, such as health and wellness interests. However, for most physical therapy practices, blanket targeting and English language settings should suffice. When it comes to placements, there are two approaches you can consider. Advanced placements: if you have a significant budget, a longer campaign duration, and the resources to test different options, you can maximize your budget and show your ads across multiple placements. This approach allows you to gather more data and insights. However, it requires more time and resources. Streamlined placements: if your goal is to generate leads quickly, and you may not have the luxury of time or a large budget, you can take control over placements. Remove the audience network, stories, and any other placements that may not be relevant for your physical therapy ads. In this case, focusing on the core Facebook newsfeed and marketplace placements can be effective. Remember that every business is unique, and it's important to monitor and analyze the performance of your ads. Adjust your strategy based on the data and insights you gather to optimize your campaigns and achieve the best results. Now we'll proceed with setting up the ad within the ad set. First, let's discuss the budget. In the example, it suggests a budget that can reach 6 to 25 leads per day based on the ad spend. However, it's important to note that even if Facebook shows 0 leads for a smaller budget like $10 per day, it doesn't mean you won't generate any leads. Sometimes Facebook's algorithm tries to encourage higher spending. I've personally seen leads generated with budgets as low as $5 per day. So don't be discouraged by the 0 leads indication. Moving on, let's name the ad. In this case, since we're focusing on generating leads for physical therapy practices, you can use a name like Physical Therapy Leads, city name. Now, for the ad format, the tutorial suggests using a single image ad. However, I recommend considering other formats as well, such as carousel ads. Carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple images or services in a single ad, which can be beneficial for highlighting the range of services offered by your physical therapy practice. Be sure to tailor the carousel images and descriptions to showcase the unique benefits of your practice. If you're more experienced with your market and confident in creating effective carousel ads, it can be a powerful option. Otherwise, let's focus on the single image ad format for simplicity. Next, let's proceed with creating the ad. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up the single image ad. Finally, if you haven't connected your Instagram account yet, you can do so by following the instructions in the tutorial. While Instagram may not be as relevant for physical therapy practices as it is for other industries, having the connection can still provide additional exposure for your practice. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to launch your ad and start generating leads for your physical therapy practice. Remember to monitor the performance of your ads, make adjustments as needed, and analyze the data to optimize your campaigns. Keep in mind that the tutorial may have additional steps and details specific to the real estate industry. Adapt the information to suit your physical therapy practice's needs and objectives. At this stage of the tutorial, we suggest discarding the automatically pulled media by Facebook, as it may not be relevant to your business. Instead, you should add your own images that showcase your physical therapy practice and its services. To add your own images, follow the instructions provided in the tutorial. You can either select images that are already uploaded to your account or upload new ones. Choose high-quality images that highlight your practice's facilities, skilled therapists, satisfied patients, or before and after shots of successful treatments. These visuals will capture the attention of potential patients and convey your expertise and professionalism. When selecting an image, Facebook offers options to crop it to fit the ad. It's recommended to choose a square or landscape aspect ratio that effectively utilizes the available space on the screen. Ensure that the most important elements of the image are visible and consider cropping or repositioning if necessary. Once you've added and adjusted your images, click Next to proceed. Now, let's move on to crafting the text for your ad. Pay attention to the following key elements. Primary text. This is the text that will appear at the top of your ad. Write compelling copy that immediately captures the attention of individuals in need of physical therapy services. Emphasize the unique benefits of your practice, such as personalized treatment plans, experienced therapists, state-of-the-art facilities, or a focus on patient recovery and well-being. Headline. The headline appears below the primary text and should further entice viewers to engage with your ad. Consider using attention-grabbing phrases like rediscover mobility with expert physical therapy, or get back to a pain-free life with our expert physical therapy, or achieve optimal mobility and wellness with our skilled therapists. Call to action. CTA. Choose a CTA that prompts viewers to take action and reach out to your clinic. For physical therapy ads, CTAs like book now, schedule a consultation, or contact us work well. Select a CTA that aligns with the desired action you want potential patients to take. By carefully crafting the text for your ad, you can effectively communicate the unique value proposition of your physical therapy clinic and encourage individuals to take the next step towards seeking your services. Once you've finalized the text and selected a CTA, proceed to the next step in the ad creation process. Make sure to review and double-check all the details to ensure accuracy and coherence. Now, let's move on to the targeting options. Facebook provides various targeting parameters that allow you to narrow down your audience and reach individuals who are more likely to be interested in physical therapy services. Consider targeting individuals based on factors such as location, age, gender, and interests related to health, fitness, or injury rehabilitation. Additionally, you can create custom audiences based on your existing patient database or target individuals who have previously engaged with your clinic's online platforms. Experiment with different targeting options and audience combinations to optimize the reach and effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Keep in mind that refining your targeting over time based on the performance data will help you reach the most relevant audience for your physical therapy services. Once you've set your targeting parameters, proceed to the next step to review and confirm the details of your ad. Double-check that all the information is accurate and aligned with your clinic's branding and objectives. Now that your ad is ready, you can launch it and start generating leads for your physical therapy clinic. Remember to continuously monitor the performance of your ads, track key metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and cost per lead, and make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaigns. Regularly analyze the data and insights provided by Facebook's ad platform to gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your ads and identify areas for improvement. By consistently refining your ad strategy and targeting, you can maximize the impact of your campaigns and attract a steady stream of new patients to your physical therapy clinic. Now, let's focus on the key elements specifically tailored for auto repair shop owners who want to generate more sales. Here's how you can optimize your lead form. Review screen. Implementing a review screen in your lead form allows potential customers to review their information before submitting it. This step ensures that their contact details, such as their name, email, and phone number, are correct. It's crucial for follow-up purposes and helps maintain accurate customer records. Message for leads. After customers submit their information, it's essential to provide a compelling message that encourages them to take action. Consider using a message like, "Thank you for choosing your auto repair shop name. Click below to get immediate access to exclusive offers and discounts on our auto repair services tailored to your needs." Call to action button. Customize the call to action button to match the action you want customers to take. For instance, you can use claim offers or get your discount now to create a sense of urgency and entice customers to engage further. Relevant link. Determine the appropriate link to include in your lead form. Ideally, it should direct customers to a page on your website that showcases exclusive offers, discounts, or a service menu. Make sure the page is optimized for conversions and clearly highlights the value you provide. Description. In the description section, emphasize the benefits customers will receive by submitting their information. For example, unlock exclusive offers and discounts on our top-notch auto repair services by submitting your information. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save on your next repair or maintenance service at your auto repair shop name. Contact information. To further facilitate customer inquiries and engagement, consider including your contact information in the message for leads. Encourage customers to reach out if they have any questions, need additional information, or want to schedule an appointment. Providing multiple contact options, such as your phone number, email address, and even social media handles, can enhance customer convenience and accessibility. Remember, by optimizing your lead form with these relevant elements, you can effectively capture leads, nurture customer relationships, and ultimately increase sales for your auto repair shop. As an auto repair shop owner, your goal is to attract more customers and increase sales. It's crucial to implement effective strategies that can help you achieve this. One powerful approach is leveraging targeted advertising on platforms like Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, and Facebook Feed. By creating compelling ads that highlight your expertise and value proposition, you can capture the attention of potential customers and drive them to your shop. Imagine showcasing your shop's unique selling points, such as your experienced technicians, top-notch service, and competitive pricing. By highlighting these strengths in your ads, you'll stand out from the competition and attract customers who are seeking reliable auto repair services. It's important to optimize your ads for maximum impact. Utilize engaging visuals, compelling headlines, and concise yet persuasive ad copy to convey your message effectively. Consider including customer testimonials or before and after images to build trust and showcase your shop's successful track record. By running targeted ads on these platforms, you can reach a wider audience of car owners who may be actively seeking auto repair services. As a result, you'll increase your chances of converting potential customers into paying clients. Remember, the key to successful advertising lies in crafting compelling messages that resonate with your target audience. Put yourself in the shoes of car owners who may be experiencing car troubles or seeking regular maintenance. Address their pain points and offer solutions that demonstrate your shop's expertise and reliability. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. As an auto repair shop owner, it's crucial to stay informed about effective advertising strategies that can drive more customers to your business. And if you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in clients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Discover how our software can revolutionize your physical therapy practice by automating client acquisition and boosting your sales. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Click the link in the comments below, book a call with our team, and see firsthand how our software can transform your customer base and revenue streams. Invest in the future of your physical therapy practice and let our software do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to the complexities and costs of Facebook ads. Book your call now and unlock the potential of our clients on 100% autopilot software.